Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you or someone that you love is a serious tea drinker, then having this kettle from Joydeem is an absolute must. I have at least 1 cup of tea every single day, and this really takes the guesswork out of how hot the water needs to be for the particular type of tea that I'm having and trying to find an infuser basket so that I can use my loose leaf tea. When I want to brew, I just simply put it inside the basket. I select the type of tea I'm making, and then it lowers the basket into the water, and then I can either leave it at the preset time or I can customize how long I want it to steep. This is awesome because my husband often makes tea for me in the morning and forgets to take the tea bags out. And so setting this time to exactly where I want it means that it doesn't oversteep and become bitter. The temperatures are in Celsius, but just remember that you can go by the type of tea that you're brewing. So when I want to do my black tea or my flower tea, I just simply choose that setting and it sets the temperature exactly right. Of course, you can just boil water with this too if you want to. Just use the water button for that. I also think it's brilliant that once I have brewed a pot of tea, the machine automatically goes into warm mode. And it will do that for 30 minutes to keep my tea at 60 degrees Celsius, which is like the perfect degree for actually drinking the tea. I love that I will never have a ruined cup of tea again thanks to this kettle. I think it's top of the line. It is a Supreme Deluxe kettle. It is perfect for your use or as a gift for someone else. And that's my point of view.